Hey, go queens. Oh, no, not that. Hey, babes. How are you doing today, babes? I am in a rush, if you couldn't tell. But anyway, leading on to the topic of today's video. It's a new year, and I feel like with a new year, new me, new face, new glow up. I'm currently watching Zoe and Mark as I get... I'm 5 minutes late, look. I've got toothpaste bloody everywhere because I'm on Wookie Pop. New makeover. We're having a makeover. Do you remember how much we used to glamorize makeovers as little girls? I came across this St. Trinian's TikTok on my For You page last night where they were giving out all these different makeovers. And I was like, my God, when I was younger, me and my friends would just have sleepovers and have makeovers. I do feel like sleepovers are the stem of a lot of trauma. I was the homesick, yeah, I'm not tired at all kind of sleepover gal. It does not correlate to my life now though, because I will be the last one standing at any party. But yeah, I'm feeling a little... Oh, talking of last woman standing, I've really hurt my foot. How? I don't know. When? I also don't know. We also think that not my pancreas, what's it called? My appendix, that's the one. There's also a conspiracy started by yours truly. Actually not started by yours truly, because I think I'm fine. I keep saying I'm fine, but my God, have I been getting some weird pains in my lower right abdomen. Obviously you girls know that I'm a PCOS queen, so it could be something. Does my foot want to get in these shoes? I'm wearing like really frilly socks, Jordans. Is that a crime? I've spoken to 111 on multiple occasions, and it could be a little twist in the ovary. As painful as it sounds, or my appendix could be on the brink of bursting. So I don't know, only time will tell, because there is just no way in hell I'm getting an appointment at those doctors. And you know what, I completely understand. I know they're very busy up to their neck right now, but I preferably would like to know if I'm dying, especially as I made my birthday invites last night. Am I the drama? I think I'm the drama. Oh, come on, sore foot. Ow, ow, hurts. I can't remember if I've said this 100 times, but today is nails and hair day. My state, my nails, girls. We've really let it get bad this time, but as I said, I have been in bed dying the last few days. That's the thing as well. I feel fine now. Like, I feel fine. If I press the... Yeah, pain's completely gone. So what was it? I've been in bed dying the last few days, so... Pretty boy. Cut Jordan's squeak though. Let's just go.
She gon' pop it open. She gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day.
Guys, these are my nails. They're the most crazy, insane, ridiculous nails I've ever had, but it's my birthday coming up and I just wanted something really fun. They're giving me such like anime princess realness. I have never been more obsessed with a set of nails in my life. The mothership. I'm at Samantha Kuzik now, which is where I get my hair done. I'm actually in the Fitzrover salon today. Usually I go to the Notting Hill one, but they're currently having a refurb. Very exciting. I get some extensions put in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to get some new hair put in or whether I'm just going to get the ones already in my head refitted. They definitely need a bit of work. I also really want to get some brighter sort of money pieces at the front of my head, but I don't know if I actually booked in for dye because I'm a bit of an idiot, so I'll ask and see what the deal is. I'm already feeling, you couldn't tell, I just want to, you know what I mean?
She gon' pop it open.
Oh my God, I keep getting this stuck in my hair.
She gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate.
Don't worry, the audio is not in this. Don't all beg at once. Who wants to know? My stupid bitch thought of the month, thought of the year the other day. So I'm having my hair shampooed in the hairdressers. I'm just having a good old think. I forgot my headphones. I'm like, you know the way Christmas, New Year ends, and you just kind of mentally expect winter to be over, and it's not. It carries on through till February. was like, why didn't they put Christmas and New Year at the end of winter? Like, why didn't they put it in February? And I thought about it for another 2 minutes and realised it's probably time to end my life. Feeling super awkward in case anyone walks in, but I'm off to get my hair done again, round 2. I wasn't actually able to get the dye that I wanted last time because I was stupid and I didn't book in properly. I'm going to leave it a surprise as to when I'm getting it done. But yeah, here's the before. I'm also, my lips look crazy, like big. I'm back in Samantha Cusack. I've got my little glittery iced latte. Guess who I bumped into? Cheers on our first double. Oh shit. Anyway, as I was saying before, I literally spilled coffee everywhere. On her first double vodka Diet Coke of the day. Yeah, we were saying, do we ask that? Have you got any baby Guinnesses?
I love it. Do you do shots? Do you salt?
Do you do Jaeger bombs in here?
Give me salt, or is that, do I have to go buy it? Is there a shop nearby?
Make it pour.
I've actually gone a little more extreme with my hair than I was planning. Well, not extreme, but I'm doing more to it than I originally had planned to do when I first came in. I was planning to make a little teeny tiny minor change. God, I'm looking shiny. But to be honest, I don't know how it will end up, so I'm excited. I am woman, I am fearless, I am sexy, I'm divine. I also don't have to take it too far every single night out. Your girl is hungover and I'm off to have a needle rammed in my face. I actually get Botox in my jaw. I don't know if this is, I know I've like mentioned it before, but I don't talk about it a lot because obviously it's like a super taboo topic. I'm never in any way promoting Botox, any cosmetic surgery, like any injectables, anything, but it's 2022, girl. If you want to do it, do it. Who's to tell you not to? I get Botox in my jaw because I grind my teeth and clench them really hard in my sleep, and I had it for the first time a while ago. It actually, so basically with Botox, I feel like a lot of people think Botox is filler. Botox actually relaxes a muscle. That's why, like, if you get Botox in your forehead, you can't. So Botox relaxes a muscle, therefore it relaxes the muscle in your jaw, which clearly for me, like, very just overstimulated, overused muscle. And it actually sounds so dramatic, it changed my life. I don't wake up with headaches anymore. I don't have a really sore jaw. It also, like, when I'm going through like a stressful time, I'll do it so much more without, I don't even realize I'm doing it. I do it so much more, so it really broadens out my face. And I actually used to get comments all the time, which is not a very nice thing to say. I wouldn't recommend saying this to someone who weren't the nicest to read. I used to get comments all the time being like, what happened to her face? Like, why, like, her face looks bigger? It's just because my jaw, like, got bigger, basically. So yeah, that's the tea with that. Never really spoken about that before. I also really want some, this is completely, literally, it's like a stupid little girl thing to do. I really want some fat dissolving injectables in my neck area. I've got a weird complex with my neck. I've just never liked it. I think I've got a big neck. Like, I wish I had like a really kind of like long chin. Do you know what I mean? You know when girls have like the long, like this bit is, you know what I mean? I would love to have that, but I probably never will. I'm going to a salon called Deja Vu. I usually go to this guy called Dr. Raff at the Marlow Clinic in Harley Street, but he's not in London for a while. Oh, I also got toothpaste everywhere, probably. Also, yes, I do have my hair done, but I kind of want to save the reveal of it, like, for when I don't look like this. You understand, I'm sure. Ooh!
Somebody could live. You're lost in the moment you disappear.
Okay, can we stop because you're gonna get me copyrighted?
You don't have to be afraid to put your dream in action.
Don't ever be afraid, you'll be the main attraction in my fantasy. Just remember me when I make it shine. Guys, I'm noticing that there's not really like a leeway between this clip. You're gonna be my video. There's not really like a leeway in between me after getting my jaw Botox done to me then going shopping. But I know a lot of you are going to have questions. It hurts. It hurts as much as like a normal injection getting it put in would, but it's bearable. I mean, people do it. It feels a little bit tingly, a little bit funny afterwards. It kind of feels a bit fizzy in your face. It's a quite odd feeling. But yeah, once again, I want to reiterate, never promoting any injectables and stuff. It's something I get done medically, and it's great for me, and it works for me, and that's wonderful. It doesn't work for everyone. But yeah, I then went on to go and see Lewis to go shop for a birthday dress. Woo! We're in Annie's now. I'm here with Lewis, having a look at all the beautiful dresses. I don't really want to show you which one I'm going to be getting yet. I want to save it as a bit of a surprise. But there are all these beautiful, beautiful things. And really excitingly, I've actually been invited to the Brits under some weird circumstances. So I might even have a look at a dress from here for that. Sorry, it's been a long day. Wow, oh my gosh, look at that. This dress, I love that. And it's beautiful. So special. Look at the jacket. Slick pony. Lewis is thinking it's a little slick, well, a high slick pony.
I think I'm gonna have to get it redone before, but do you think I should go back short and like...
I like that length. I just think a bit of bleach. I think a little bit of bleach never hurt anyone. I got new hair actually. We're in end now. Lewis is trying on some outfits. I'm really enjoying this jacket, but he's deliberating between this one and one on Depop. And the shoes. Oh, Lewis, the fit of that is beautiful. Even like that size is perfect. A little Brit sleigh. This is Lewis's outfit for the Brits. No wait, what's that thing where they go like whoosh?
Move to the right and just practice it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
And then you go back.
The big reveal we have all been waiting for. Did I do it? Did I do it right? Did I glow up? Is this how you do it? I'm feeling blonde. I'm feeling jaw pain free. Well, not quite yet. I'm feeling young, fresh, sexy, rejuvenated, 21. Still not yet. I'm actually going out tonight with Lewis to celebrate his graduation. My little boy is growing up. So I thought this would be a perfect time to round off the glow up video. Where can I put you to show you my outfit? This is my outfit. Makes a nice little change actually from my usual sweatpants. I've got this, let's go over to a mirror. I've got an Urban Outfitters corset on with this little top from a brand called Super Down that I got on Revolve. Skirt from Urban, and these boots are also from Urban. If I remember to, I'll link the boots in the comments because I get questions on those boots all the time and they're genuinely my most worn boots. Why? Because, girly queens, little life hack for you. If you haven't shaved your legs before a night out, knee-high boots. You still get the heel, you still get the height, you don't look 12 years old walking into a club, and they're super fun. I feel like they always tie in like black into an outfit. Sorry, my washing machine is about to take flight. Girls, on that note, I'm gonna close this video off here. I want to say the biggest thank you for watching, coming along this journey with me. Obviously, I'm such a believer that beauty comes from within. Sorry, true, but beauty does come within, so just remember to be a nice person, treat people with kindness. I remember I saw this thing once and it was like, when you die, cool, a bit morbid, when you die, people don't remember the way you looked, they remember the way you made them feel. On God. I love you all so much. I'm giving you all so many kisses and so many hugs, and I'll see you all very soon. Who knows, my next birthday will probably be a birthday related one. So exciting. I love you all so much. Kisses. Bye.